Hey, it's Buck with C&H Precision, Richmond Hill, Georgia. So, you're finally buying into that red dot revolution. You're going to send your slide off to us or one of the other many qualified milling services to have it cut for a red dot. Well, today we're not going to talk about any of the sexiness of cutting them and putting red dots on them. We're going to talk about probably the simplest thing that you have to do as a consumer to get it to the company that's going to mill it. It's packaging, okay? We average somewhere between 20 and 50 slides that arrive at our facility every day, and you would be amazed at the variety of packing styles and methods that people use. Some people choose the lowest cost method. It's a paper envelope with bubble wrap inside of it, and they will drop what is sometimes almost a priceless slide right in it, seal it up, and away it goes. The problem with that is that slides have sharp edges, and you know, this is okay to hand deliver it somewhere and prevent it from getting scratched, but the hard edges will poke through when they're on the sorting belts at UPS, FedEx, or USPS. And oftentimes we get envelopes just like this that have nothing in them, okay? These will get wet, they'll get a little soggy, they get weak, and away they go. A better option, if you have one, is the plastic, the PVC style bubble one. It's a better option, but not great. This customer packed his slide inside one bag with some padding. I can feel some padding, then put it in here. So it got here just fine. These are virtually indestructible. They won't get wet, they won't get soggy. However, we have seen slides come in where something got dropped on them and the slide gets banged up, bent, or sometimes destroyed. So better than the first option, but not great. Here is the most popular method of shipping. We get 10 or 15 or 20 of these a day. It's free, okay? But free is not always for me. It's a USPS small flat rate priority shipping box. Well, the great thing about these is if you wrap it up correctly and you put it in there and you're at the post office that day, it fits perfectly. However, the post office doesn't give you tape, which is needed. You need to tape every single edge because these come, you fold them, you put them together, and they got one piece of adhesive here that seals this up. What happens? Well, when these get on a sorter belt and something lands on it and smushes it, the sides open up. The sides will unfold actually, and out goes your slide. So, I'm not saying this is a bad option, but if you're going to use one of these, pack it before you go to the post office and seal every single edge with tape before you ship it off, okay? Almost the best option. Man, every one of you shops at Amazon, I'm sure. And every one of you probably has 2 or 3 or 4 of these small boxes that Amazon has already paid for. Wrap your slide up in plenty of wrapping paper, bubble wrap, whatever. We prefer not to get dirty t-shirts, diapers, or other just used miscellaneous stuff. Get some old newspaper, some packing material, some bubble wrap it up, stick it in a box. Again, tape around the top, around the bottom, and all the edges, stick your label on it, and away it goes. Typically, the bigger the box, the better. It's harder for the shipping services to lose bigger boxes. The last method, whether you purchase it from us, we have something called the concierge service. So if you spend, yes, it's 300 bucks, but we buy new cases. We ship this case to you. You open it up, if I can open it. You open it up, you take out the tumbler that we send you, you put your slide, you put your optic in it, you seal it back up, you take the label out that we give you, you wrap it around the handle, and you send it back to us. Indestructible, just about indestructible, and then when we're done, we send this back to you and you get to keep it. If you already have one of these, and you ship your slide to us in your personal hard case, we're going to ship it back to you, and we're not going to keep it. So, it may sound silly, may sound rudimentary, but shipping your slide is very important. Take good care of your slide. Pack it properly, ship it so that you know that it'll get here. Boom.